Okay, so if you're just joining or if you got in like last minute, what you're going to do is open up this explorelearning.com. And then you'll click the enroll in a class. And then here's the teacher code right here, or the teacher class code. So that should put you in physics third hour. And then just come up with, you have to register. You have to go through a couple of steps to register. Just come up with a username and password that you'll remember. We may find another lab on this that will do if we stay virtual, or if we're back in class. It's actually pretty good. I used it for meteorology and it went really well, and Coach Roop used it in his second hour physics class. So this one today, it's called the fan cart lab. And it has to do with mass and acceleration. So remember, we've been studying force, where force equals the mass times the acceleration. And the site that you'll use, or the Google Doc that you use, is actually pretty good, where it goes step through step how to run the lab, and also ask questions as you do the different lab parts. So I'll put this screen up in a minute, but I just want to show you what the lab looks like. So in the Google Classroom, once you guys get signed up, in the Google Classroom, underneath the assignments to turn in is the fan cart gizmo. And then when you click on that, that is the Google Doc that you'll fill out. So all the steps are on here. Some of the questions are just prior knowledge, but then once you get into the lab part, it'll tell you what to do. And I'll try to show you what that looks like. Yeah, let me share this again. So if you're still signing up, I got to open up the gizmo again. Okay, so I'm not sure what your page looks like. Here's what mine looks like once I open it up, and then I can see who signed up. Okay, so it looks like most of you signed up already. That's good. And then you should have this, the fan cart physics. And then you'll launch the gizmo. And then going back and forth with that Google Doc, it'll tell you, like right here, it says place fan A on the cart and turn it on. So place fan A on the cart and then turn it on here. And then you can see the blue fan lines coming out. So it tells you step by step what to do. These are the fans over here. These are the mass blocks. And it will tell you as you go through that Google Doc. So look at the blue lines coming from the fans. Which direction is the air pushed? So you'll say, you can say northeast, south, or west, or you can say pushing behind the cart when you look at that. So let me show you, let me share this again. So here's where I was getting that info from. Place fan A on the cart and turn it on by clicking the on off. Look at the blue lines. Which direction is the air push? Press play and observe the cart. Which direction does the cart move? So it's going to move opposite of which way the air is blowing. Okay. So I stopped recording. Actually, maybe I didn't. Hold on a minute.